Hello, Contra Costa Association of Realtors. This is Greg Souza, your 100th year anniversary president for 2021, here with your bi-weekly update video. So 5 things I want to share with you today. So first is we're working with our county officials to try to ease some of those restrictions for showing property. Maybe 2 households, maybe include the kids finally to show some property. So we're working on that. As far as open houses, that comes from the state. So when the state opens it up and C.A.R. is able to work out a deal, that's what we're at the mercy of. We are still advocating for our members to be able to open that up. And trust me, I want it as well. All right, another one for you. Legislative day. Typically, we drive to Sacramento, have a full day of learning about issues, what we need to speak to our legislators about. This year, everything is virtual. You can stay in your pajamas all day if you want. And it's not even all day. There's a couple different sessions. Pick and choose what you want. We'd love to have a large showing, especially from Contra Costa, to be able to advocate for the private property rights and home ownership, protecting your business so that we can be able to maintain these relationships of our elected officials. And now we'll move on to the portion that I know you're really waiting for, which is our MLS update. And there is some very exciting things coming down in just a matter of a few weeks. First and foremost, ADUs, accessory dwelling units, are gonna be searchable. Yeah. In MLS with all the fields that you need to. Square footage, how it's attached, so forth and so on. Then our disclosure IO link, that's being changed to just disclosures. Utilize whatever vendor that you want, utilize that link, clickable link. Same thing with showing time. We're gonna just have a showing link, utilize whatever vendor you feel most comfortable with. Another one is being able to search for HOA fees. That's been another one is primary showing contact. It's not always the agent, not always a tenant, sometimes it's a family member. So we're putting that in there. Branded media links. So we're gonna have branded and unbranded, and or you can change up what you want to be shown. So really excited about that. Thing I need, moving on. Office managers, I need your contact information. We don't have it in our system, and I'm planning on something with our managers. So please contact us, contact me. We'll gather it all together. I'm gonna be reaching out to you very shortly. Another one is sponsorship opportunities are available. Quarterly sponsor for your brokerage, your company. Are you a lender? Get some exposure with us. Last but not least is our affiliates. For those of you who have your affiliate membership, we have digital badges for you to be able to utilize in your email signature. But you need to go onto CCAR's portal, update your profile. That's part of being a member. Have your photo, put your logo, add a description so that you can get more business. We can drive more business to you. That's the whole point. Then we will send you your badge for the year. So as always, I'm available for you. Thank you so much for watching. Again, please share this with your colleagues. Give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe, and we'll see you in a few weeks. So 2 geese while I'm trying to film. It happens.